Hello friends, today I would like to say a few words about the contrasting approaches to treat acne between Western pharmaceutical and Chinese plant medicine, and it highlights a fundamental difference in their approaches to health and disease. For example, Western medicine's approach is often direct and targeted. If we deal with an infection, antibiotics are prescribed to kill the bacteria. If there is inflammation, anti-inflammatory drugs are used to reduce it. And this approach works well for acute conditions and symptoms. Yet it fails to address the underlying causes or the patient's long-term well-being. For instance, we know that very often acne arises from leaky gut syndrome. In such cases, a course of antibiotics will clear the infection from the skin, yet this approach fails to address the original source of this infection, and so it treats the initial symptom, but it does not address the causative factor, the compromised gut health. And so this type of health problem requires a more holistic approach that encompasses both the symptom but also the underlying causes. Chinese medicine takes a different approach. The philosophy is about restoring and maintaining balance within the body's system. In Chinese medicine, we view a disease as an imbalance or blockage of energy in an organ, a channel, or a system, and the treatment therefore focuses first and foremost on correcting imbalances and resolving blockages in energy flow that results in alleviation of symptoms. And in Chinese plant medicine, the approach to treat acne extends far beyond merely targeting skin infection. Our perspective considers causative factors leading to this infection, such as leaky gut syndrome and its elements like dampness accumulation, blood stagnation, sluggish intestinal motility, or whatever other factors contribute to the proliferation of harmful bacteria in the gut. And our aim is to restore the delicate balance within the gut ecosystem, thus addressing both the symptoms and the underlying causes. And the strength of Chinese plant medicine lies not in potency of individual plants or their alkaloids. By far, Western medicine has more powerful drugs that address specific symptoms. Yet, these drugs also have powerful side effects. The strength of Chinese plant medicine stems from its subtle, indirect approach. It targets the supporting systems and elements linked to the imbalance, instead of focusing solely on the symptom or the primary system causing it. This methodology is the golden standard of Chinese plant medicine, and it allows us to address many chronic, complicated, seemingly incurable conditions without damaging patients' health in the long run.